I grew up hearing this: fish go crazy on the full moon. Myth or real switch? Anadromous runs, salmon, shad, stripers. Today, I'm cracking the code: myth versus science and what really launches those epic migrations. First, the myth. Full moon, big tides, fish pour into the river. New moon, dark skies, fish feed harder. Sounds clean, simple, predictable. But nature rarely runs on a single switch. Here's the science. Anadromous fish are wired with multiple clocks. There's the circadian clock, day and night. The tidal clock, about 12.4 hours. And yep, a circulunar rhythm, roughly 29.5 days. Inside a salmon, hormones like melatonin fluctuate with light and darkness, tuning behavior. Out at sea, the moon shapes tides. Spring tides, right after full and new moons, are bigger. Neap tides, first and third quarter, are smaller. Bigger tides push more salt water into estuaries, change currents, stir up scent trails. That matters because salmon literally smell their way home. But moonlight itself is a curveball. On bright nights, predators see better. Some fish delay moving in clear water under a full moon to dodge getting eaten. In murky water or at depth, moonlight matters less, and tides matter more. So, same moon, different outcomes. Now layer in the heavy hitters: river discharge and rain. First big autumn rains can cool and swell rivers, creating a moving escalator upstream. Temperature. Many species wait for a narrow comfort zone. A 2-degree drop can be the green light. Turbidity. Cloudy water hides fish from predators, boosting confidence to move. Magnetism. Fish sense Earth's magnetic map offshore to find the right coast, then switch to smell near land. Put it together and you get this. The moon is a drummer keeping time, but the conductor is flow and temperature. When high flow lines up with spring tides, runs can pop. When river water's low and too warm, even a giant full moon can't force the start. So was the myth totally wrong? Not really. Anglers notice patterns because lunar cycles often sync with tides that sync with movement. It's just not the only variable. And sometimes it even flips. New moon darkness can help fish, or full moon spring tides can turbocharge scent plumes. If I'm scouting a run, here's my quick checklist. Watch the hydrograph. Rising, cooling flows usually beat any moon phase. Check the tide table. Spring tides can amplify activity at inlets and estuaries. Note water clarity. Dark water plus rising flow is go time. Map species. Shad and striped bass often pulse with tides. Salmon lock harder to flow and temperature. Final answer: the moon matters, through tides, light, and internal clocks, but it doesn't act alone. The biggest migrations ignite when lunar timing, river flow, and temperature click into place, like gears. Be sure to visit the link in the comments if you want more information and a lunar fishing chart.